Hello everyone. Today we are going to see Hygen's wave theory. This wave theory is connected with the light. Now see, the Hygen's theory came in 1678 when ray theory of light, unable to explain the phenomena of light such as interference, diffraction. This phenomena when discovered, interference of light, diffraction of light, this both phenomena of light was not able to explain by ray theory of light. Ray theory of light only explains phenomena of reflection and refraction. So see, this theory, before explain the Hygen's wave theory, first of all see the concept of hypothetical medium, luminiferous ether, hypothetical medium, and this hypothetical medium luminiferous ether has following property. This property of hypothetical medium ether is, it is weightlessness, means no weight, no mass, no weight, right? This second property, this hypothetical medium ether can penetrate matters, can passes through the matter. When it come in the contact of matter, it can penetrate the matter. See, one more property of it is the weightlessness can travel through the matter, and density of ether very small, and its elasticity very high. In the theory of wave given by the Hygen's, that light travel in form of wave, and in this time around 1678 the scientists believed that material is required to travel the wave. That is why the concept of hypothetical medium ether is given, and it is given that it is uniformly distributed. In whole of the universe, it has no mass, can penetrate through the matter, very small density and very high elasticity. Due to that, since we know that one formula, that is speed of wave in a medium depend on its elasticity and density. So density is a very small downward factor, elasticity is very high, this is very small, and elasticity is very high. Due to that, speed becomes much high. We are knowing speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That is why this property of ether is taken into account. According to Hygen's wave theory, light travel in form of wave. When this wave is strike on retina of eye, there is sensation of vision. In that condition, we are able to see the object. Now, here is a time to see Hygen's principle. Hygen's principle. Hygen's principle is geometrical construction. This geometrical construction, it is related with that geometrical construction of wave front. Geometrical construction of wave front, and to determine position of wave front at any time. According to the Hygen's principle, in which the geometrical construction, it is given wave front, determine the position. So all over, we can see this geometrical concept as it is. Let us consider here a source of light. Due to this source of light, let us consider the light moves in a different directions. When this light move in the direction, according to this, light travel around it in form of circular wave fronts. This wave front, see circular wave front here, construction of a part of circular wave front is here given. Circular wave front. This is the part of a circular. It is called wave front. This wave front, the new wave front, can be obtained like this after time t. After time t. Let us consider c denotes speed of light. Then in t time, let light travel this distance from here to here, ct distance. So taking ct as a radius, here draw an envelope. These circular envelopes. In all circle, this distance, this distance, this is a distance, all are ct. All distances ct. If one want to see what is a new wavefront after time t, then to draw a new wavefront after time t, draw an envelope tangent passing through this circular envelope. This is Blue line represent position of new wavefront. In the forward direction. We cannot draw the position of new wavefront. We cannot draw in the backward directions. The new wavefront travel with speed of light c in a forward direction and new. Here every point in first wavefront, which is represented by the red line, is known as source of secondary wavelets, and all these secondary source on the wavefront in hypothetical medium ether produces the wave. After in this diagram drawing a new wavefront in a forward direction, the rule is given in such a way of Hygen's principle. The first rule is, here see carefully, every particle in the medium, what is the medium? Ether, situated on wavefront, acts as a new source from which fresh wave originate. These waves are called secondary wavelets. These points are here called source of secondary wavelets. These are the points, and this wavefront is spread in the medium. When it is near to the source, these are spherical in shape. So this is known as the first principle of Hygen's, and this wavefront travel in a forward direction with speed of light is the second rule. The secondary wavelets travel in a medium. What is this medium? Luminiferous hypothetical medium ether with a speed of light in all directions. New wavefront is the envelope tangent. The envelope of the secondary source or wavelets in a forward direction. See the word. At any instant of time, give the new wavefront at any instant t. This is the third principle of Hygen's. When this wavefront travel in a medium, and when it is reaches at much distance away from the source, means at a position of infinite, this spherical wavefront becomes linear wavefront. It is calculated linear wavefront, and when we want to draw a new wavefront again after time t, then we are taking a distance ct in time t and drawing an envelope circle of radius ct. So all this ct in all, if new wavefront is required to make, then what is done here? It is new wavefront can be drawn after drawing a tangent in forward direction. So here see, both wavefront becomes parallel plane wavefront. It is known as plane wavefront. This side, when it is near to the source, it is a spherical wavefront, and it is parallel wavefront. See, this is represented by red line and blue line, right? Parallel wavefront represent the source is at infinite, and spherical wavefront represents the source is at finite distance. In Hygen's theory, and when we compare to the ray optics, the rays is always normal perpendicular to the wavefront, either in spherical or parallel wavefront. This wavefront travel in medium luminiferous ether, and this medium is known as homogeneous isotropic medium luminiferous ether. It is in that the rays RAYS is always normal perpendicular to the wavefront as explained here, right? This is for the topic here for the Hygen's wave theory. I hope you are able to understand clearly. Thank you and have a nice day to all.